If I look back to where we were a few years previous, we had various systems that were all independent and they didn't speak to each other. So the fact that we now have an account system, a stock system and a CRM system that all link and talk to each other has made a huge difference. My name's Tom Riley, I'm the Managing Director of WhiteWash Laboratories and we're based in Middlesbrough in the northeast of England. We started in 2010. Myself and my business partner Matthew, who's a dentist, started the company focusing on professional teeth whitening. Initially the goals of the company were to provide a professional teeth whitening product to the dental sector here in the UK, but we subsequently have developed the range of products to have some peroxide products which is through dentists and non-peroxide products which can be sold over the counter online through supermarkets and pharmacies. So previously the inventory management system was almost a standalone system where we'd have to manually add in the invoice details and then take out the stock. It didn't link to the account system. We looked at other systems and there are quite a few systems out there. We were looking for something that was cloud-based, but ultimately we needed something that we could use as a manufacturer. And Unleashed was so versatile, it covered everything from managing stock, managing sales, but it also had this element to manage manufacturing products as well, which as our business is growing is a huge part of what we're doing. The reason we chose Unleashed over other systems was partly to the fact that it linked to our account system and also partly to the fact that we're manufacturing products, so we needed something that could handle manufacturing as well as stock and processing sales. One of the main benefits we saw straight away was we weren't kind of doing twice the work, so Unleashed links with Xero, whereas before we were doing a lot of double input, so straight away there's a massive time saving and cost saving from the fact that the two speak to each other. Prior to using Prospect, we were using a CRM that wasn't really designed for B2B. So we are predominantly a B2B company, although we do a little bit of B2C. So therefore Prospect Soft is really like in tune with our needs and what we're looking for. It's really set up to be dealing with those new opportunities and inquiries and managing that through to a sale. And then obviously continuing from there to get repeat business. Unleashed and Prospect Soft have really helped us as we've grown quite significantly in the past year. Sales are up 25%, headcount has more than doubled, so it's been quite a journey in the past 12 months, and having those robust systems to help us on that growth journey has really helped. Unleashed and Prospect Soft, by the very nature of the fact that we use them every day, are integral to our growth plans. We use them for everything from new inquiries right through to processing orders for existing customers that have been with us for a long time. So we use it in pretty much every part of our business. Fortunately, we're in an industry which is booming at the moment. Everybody wants whiter teeth. So our biggest challenge is keeping up with demand. We get so many new inquiries, so many companies want to launch their own brand. So our key focus is to make sure that we're using Unleashed and Prospect Soft to make sure that we're running things smoothly and efficiently, and those inquiries that are coming through Prospect Soft, working through that sales funnel and turning from an inquiry into a customer, and then also that we're looking after our existing customers and making sure that we're offering excellent customer service to them as well.